Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off maintenance mode or how to exit from maintenance mode of a phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Suppose if your phone is maintenance mode, you will see a text here like this, maintenance mode in the bottom left side. If you would like to enter into normal mode, you have to exit this maintenance mode. For this, go to the notification area and you will see a notification always here like your phone is in maintenance mode. Just tap here and click on exit here and click on restart. Now your phone will ask your pattern to verify. Give your pattern and yes, your phone now will be restarting and maintenance mode will be exited. See here, normal mode will appear now. In this way, you can easily turn off maintenance mode from your device. Samsung Galaxy logo appeared. Just wait few seconds to check whether it is correctly loaded or not. Yes, maintenance mode function is now not available. See here, maintenance mode text is not printed here and your phone is in normal mode now. So in this way you can easily turn off or exit maintenance mode on a phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.